Good evening, everyone. My name is Cristina. I'm going to talk about the app I designed that is called Ironhack. First of all, I would like to talk about Clara. Clara is a junior architect. She works in Barcelona, and she doesn't have enough money to live on her own, so she shares a flat. She's quite organized and tidy, but apparently her flatmates are not. She gets really pissed off when they are not doing their task, and she thinks that there's lack of communication at home. So I start with my surveys, asking people that share a flat which problems they have, and I found out that 25% of the people that stop living with flatmates is because they have communication problems and especially lack of communication. So I came up with this problem statement that it's people that share a flat have problems with communication. When I did my interviews, I get deep into that topic, and I realized that there's three main issues about communication. So they have problems when they have to tell to someone that they have done something wrong or something that they don't like, such as not doing the cleaning task. And there's also lack of information when they have someone staying over or things that happen on the daily basis, and also when they take decisions. I wanted to add some gamification to engage the user, so I decided to give awards, budgets, and kind of make it fun and engaging. Yeah. It's working? No? So let me show you my prototype. Yeah? No. This is Clara. Remember that Clara works a lot. She's an architect, and she gets home, and she is alone there, and she realized that she has to wake up early the day after. It has an important meeting, and she want to let her flatmates that they should be quiet. She want to sleep because she want to sleep properly. So she gets into the app. The first thing she sees is it's her profile on the top, the flatmate stories, the budget that she has earned recently, and all the chores. So she clicking here, she takes whatever she want to tell them, like, hey guys, I have to wake up early tomorrow, so please be quiet tonight when you get home. So she decided that she wanted to take a picture to make it more nice. So she's already on the bed, she take a picture of her feet. Here, she put it in red, she put it on the top, and she's ready to publish it. So she published, and she sees that it's updated. So let's see what Rachel, her flatmate, sees on her phone. She's out, she's having dinner with her parents. She got a notification that Clara has updated her status. So she clicks here, she goes into the app and sees that Clara has updated the stories and also Mark. So she checks Clara's stories and also Mark, and she gets a reward for this because she's willing to communicate with the family, so she gets a stalker budget. So Clara can always check who has seen her status, and she realized that only Rachel has seen it. She knows that Mark is out, and she's a party guy, and he won't realize about this story. And what happened when Mark goes into the app after 24 hours, the story is not there anymore. So he's punished somehow, and she got a Spacey God budget. So I'm gonna show you how they assign tasks to each other. So Clara, the organizer, she wants to add a new task, and she goes to the calendar. She goes into the day that she wants to add the task. She has the history here. So she click here. She decided, she put the name of the task. She assigned it to Mark and Rachel, and she sent it. So she have the history here that she has assigned tidy up to Rachel and John. And Rachel got a notification on the calendar tab, and she can either decline it or accept it. So she accepted, and Clara has a notification that she has accepted, and she got an OCD badge. So I made a lot of iterations, especially in the home screen. At the beginning, I wanted to add everything on it. I skipped the menu, then I realized that it was really important. I also have the gamification on the bottom, so I put it more on the top because I thought it was really important for my app. So that's all I've done to come up with the final design. And for the next steps, I would like to develop the rating and encouragement feature, which is I want people to allow to rating tasks that has been done with this button here, so that you can put a smile or encourage them, like clapping and cheering on. I also want to develop a message board where, in comparing with WhatsApp, in that case, they will have the topics grouped so they won't be lost on the WhatsApp conversation. So that's all. Thank you.